Welcome. Let's continue in this lecture with our example game in game math tutorial. In this lecture we will add some game elements like buttons, and now we can start. Go to your initial root node 2D, add node with a name button, find it, select this button under the control elements, standard themed button, and click create. When you have this node created, we will write some text, very simple sign. Our button will be aligned center, so you don't need to change anything there, and we will just move it somewhere here. We will change details about scale of this button. We can put it something like this, 0.6, and you can move your button to stay in somewhere here, for example. We will need another button. Everything will be same. We will put minus there, and we can just set a scale to 0.6. and this will be okay. We need to move this button okay here. If you want to be precise without snapping, you can play with this kind of lines moving. If you want to be exactly exact in setting, then click on game element, go to position, and see data about position. For example, we can put it here 99. This is epsilon position, and x position can be 45. Okay. Here, when you select other button, so other button, we will not change epsilon position, and we will just change it here to 45. Now both of buttons are initially set in a same place. If you want to have a similar size of both buttons, then look on a size. So this is position, size 2020, size 2020. And this will solve some simple alignment. About the label, we can do it the same thing, so something like this, something like this. And here in aligned, let's put it center. Vertical alignment, also put it to center, so we'll have to center. We can change the scale to 1, and now only thing is to a little bit move it and to test. Good, we have two buttons, minus, plus, and they're working, and we have some kind of number here. I think this good. This looks good. We will continue in the next lecture. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy in this process, and I hope you very easily understand what I talk. So we will continue in the next lecture. Goodbye and have a good